If you've received a suspicious email on Squarespace, the most important thing is to stay calm and not interact with it. Do not reply, do not click any links, and do not download any attachments. The goal here is to protect your account first, then report the message the right way. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to handle suspicious emails on Squarespace safely and quickly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Now let's get into it. First, double check the sender's address. This is one of the fastest ways to spot a fake message. Genuine Squarespace account updates will only come from official domains like squarespace.com, mail.squarespace.com, or squarespace.info. If the email address looks even slightly off, misspelled, or unfamiliar, treat it as suspicious. Next, do not click anything inside the email. Even if the message looks urgent, professional, or says your account needs immediate action, avoid all buttons and links. Phishing emails are designed to create pressure so you act without thinking. Instead, forward the entire email to report phishing at squarespace.security.com. Make sure you include the full email headers and the subject line in your forward, because that helps the security team investigate where the message came from and how it was delivered. If you're not sure how to view the headers in your email app, look for the message options menu and choose the option for showing original message details or full headers. Once you've forwarded the suspicious email, trash it immediately. Don't leave it sitting in your inbox, and don't move it to another folder where you might accidentally open it again later. Removing it right away helps reduce the chance of clicking it by mistake. If you already clicked something before realizing it was suspicious, change your password right away and review your Squarespace account activity as soon as possible. It's also a good idea to check whether your email address is being used on any other services and secure those accounts too. The main thing to remember is simple: don't reply, don't click, verify the sender, report it, and delete it. That quick process can save you from a lot of trouble. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.